Aircraft navigation lights are essential for ensuring the visibility of an aircraft during flight, particularly at night or in low visibility conditions. Aviation regulations require aircraft to have specific navigation lights. They help pilots and others, like air traffic controllers or ground crew, identify the aircraft's position, orientation, and direction of movement. Navigation lights show an aircraft's position and direction. Beacon and strobe lights prevent collisions. Taxi and landing lights improve pilots' visibility. Wing, logo, and formation lights serve specific needs. Here's a breakdown of the different types of navigation lights. Red navigation light, located on the left or port wingtip, indicates the left side of the aircraft. Green navigation light, located on the right or starboard wingtip, indicates the right side of the aircraft. White navigation light, located on the tail or stern of the aircraft, helps identify the aircraft's rear. Anti-collision beacon. The beacon light typically flashes red and fixed on the top and bottom of fuselage. This light is usually activated when the aircraft is in operation, indicating that engine is starting up, running, or aircraft is about to start moving on ground. It helps avoid collisions, spot the aircraft more easily, particularly during night operations or in poor weather when aircraft are taxiing or ground or during flight. Strobe lights. These are high-intensity flashing white lights typically mounted on the wings and tail. Their purpose is to increase the visibility of the aircraft to other pilots, particularly during night flights. They often help avoid mid-air collisions. Position lights. These refer collectively to the red, green, and white lights that show an aircraft's relative position to others. They help other pilots understand the direction in which the aircraft is heading. Aircraft navigation lights are critical for both visibility and safety, especially during nighttime or low visibility conditions. They help pilots, air traffic controllers, and ground staff identify and track the position, orientation, and direction of an aircraft. Thanks for watching.